Hi guys, good morning and welcome to day 71 of Ballet Cymru tutorials. So today we're going to do some small jumps together, and so make sure that you're warm, that you are wearing something comfortable, that you have read our disclaimer, and that you have some space around you. You don't need too much for this one actually. Because it's jumps today, I'm going to be wearing my trainers, but you can wear either socks, barefoot, ballet shoes. Maybe it could be good to wear your trainers or to have a mat underneath yourself if you don't have a proper dance floor, or if you think your floor is quite hard as mine is. Okay, so let's go. The exercise is really easy and it starts in first position. We are only going to jump in first and second today. So from here we're going to take 2 relevés, 1, 2, 3, 4, and then 3 small jumps, 5, 6, 7, on 8 we just stretch. And we bend again because we're going to repeat this 3 times. So that was the first one, and then again, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and stretch. On the third time, we're going to take our arms in fifth. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. From here, we'll take 1 glissé, and then we'll transfer into second, transfer again, and the third time, we're going to stay. We're going to do the same thing in second. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and stretch. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. On the stretch, we'll take our arms. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Glissé, plie into first, glissé, plie into first, glissé, plie into first, and stretch. Just 2 things before we start. I like to have my arms in fifth sometimes when I'm jumping, because I feel like it helps my spine to feel longer and not to have my weight too much forward back, which is a thing that I tend to do a lot, especially when I'm jumping. And something else that is good, especially for small jumps, to really use the plie, especially before the relevé. Really feel the plie coming from the back of our legs and use it not just to take the sprint out of it, but really to bend into it as much as we can, so to get the deepest plie we possibly can have. Okay, let's do this with music. So that was the end for today. I hope that you enjoyed, and I also hope that you're still being safe and doing whatever your governments are asking you to do, and I'm sure everything will be better. And I'm also hoping that your countries, wherever in the world you are moving forward as Italy is right now, which I feel very lucky about. And yeah, so I'll see you soon, hopefully. Goodbye.